Hi guys, this is Jimmy from Uber. In this video, I want to give you a quick demo of how to install the Slim Tough Case G5. For this demonstration, I'm going to use an iPad Air, for example, but the same techniques work for the iPad 2, 3, 4, and iPad Air 2. So here are the components of the G5 case. We have the front folio cover, we have a front frame, we have a back tray, a stylus, and the silicone rubber skin. So what we're going to do is place the iPad Air into the back tray, like so. It's going to level itself. Put the frame over it, and just squeeze around the edges until the case is tight. And you'll hear a series of snaps, and you can double check and make sure that there's no gap all around. Okay, so make sure the case is tight. Then you can put the rubber skin over it. Now you want to make sure that the orientation is correct. So the long opening here, this is on the left side of the iPad. You can insert the hard case inside and just wrap the rubber skin around the hard case. Okay. Now, if you peel this open, you can see there are rubber pins on the rubber skin that line up with the back of the iPad. So, like these are the pins, and then there's a corresponding hole on the hard case. You want to make sure everything's lined up, and then kind of just push everything in and flatten it out. Okay, now the rubber skin is on the iPad. We're going to install the front folio cover. Now the folio cover has two pins, okay? There's one pin, the lower pin, is a little bit longer than the upper pin. This way, when you install it, you can insert the lower pin into the hole first, so that the position is fixed, and then you can line up the upper pin and then slide it in. This way, you don't have to line up both pins at the same time, which would almost be impossible. So I'm going to line up the lower pin, insert it in just a little bit. Now I can push in and line up the upper pin with a hole and slide it in. Okay? And then when you slide it in, there's a little tab here that will kind of pop out and stop the cover from sliding out. Occasionally, you may see the pin here getting pushed in or pushed out. As you slide the cover in, the pin kind of stays in the same place or comes out a little bit. In that case, you just want to use a pin or a little screwdriver and push the pin in. So that's basically how you can install a Slim Tough Case G5. When it's properly installed, the smart cover feature will function. So when you close the cover, the iPad goes to sleep. When you open it, it will wake up the iPad. And of course, the stylus just clips in just like that. That's it. If you like the case, you can find more information about it on our website at www.uberstore.com. Thanks for watching.